Don't want to talk no more. I can feel your body all over me.
Hey y'all, so sorry if it's like super loud, but I have the fan on because I'm burning up because I just flat ironed my hair. And so it's a little hot and I need like direct airflow, not just like turning the air on in my room. I need the airflow to like smack me, okay? So I just turned the fan on, but I'm about to do a lot of batch filming. I think I'm gonna go downstairs and make me a smoothie real quick just because I haven't had any breakfast. And it's, what time is it? 3:52, almost 4 o'clock, and I haven't had anything to eat today. So I think I'm gonna make me a smoothie because when I'm trying to like get stuff done, I can't think about food. I made pho the other night, so maybe once I'm done filming my first video, I'll stop and take a break and make me some pho real quick and then get back to it. Because I need to make, I think, maybe 3 different pieces of content today. So yeah, I just wanted to check in with y'all real quick before I get started doing everything else. I get a lot of questions about my headbands too. So before anybody asks where I got this one from, these are from the beauty supply store. I feel like you can find them at pretty much any beauty supply store, but these are the super wide ones. Like these are like thick, okay? And they're only $1.99, super cheap. I have a bunch of them. I have a few different colors. The main ones I wear are like the black and white ones, but yeah, if you guys are interested in finding these headbands, I know these are in right now, check out your local beauty supply store, okay? So I'm about to go make the smoothie so we can get to it. If you're somebody who likes making smoothies a lot, I go and I get these bags of fruit mix from Sam's Club. It comes in like a big green bag and it says mixed fruit, but it's like, I think 5 or 6 bags of these individual bags of fruit. And I use about half a bag for each smoothie. So if there's 6 bags, 6 times 2, I can get about 12 smoothies. And I mean, like, when I say smoothies, I mean like enough for 2 people. So typically I make a half a bag will make like 2 smoothies. So it's more like 24 smoothies that you can get from that one big bag of fruit. But these have pineapple, peaches, strawberries, and mango in these bags. And then sometimes if we don't eat the fruit before it's about to go bad, we'll just like freeze it. So these are like just frozen strawberries. And then I like to use some low-fat sherbet, and sometimes I'll use juice. It just depends, but I tend to use like some form of like cranberry juice for my smoothie. Okay, y'all, I'm on my camera now, and I just finished filming a video. Sorry if y'all can hear somebody talking in the back being loud, but yeah, so I just finished this look. I basically just showed my base routine right now, but this is gonna be on my Instagram. And now, y'all, I'm so hungry. I'm about to go downstairs. It's now what? It's past 6 o'clock. And yeah, it's 6:47. All I had was that smoothie, like I told y'all earlier. So I'm about to go downstairs, try to find me something real quick. I think I'm gonna make the pho, like I said, just like a small bowl of it, and then maybe later on I'll go to like Dave's Hot Chicken and get something. I don't know yet. I kind of want to do a mukbang. But we'll see. But now I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this mess, because this is what happens when I film. I always have my stuff off to like the side of me. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and just try to put most of this stuff up now, just because I don't want to come back to this. But if I do leave the house, I'm gonna take y'all. I am moving soon, and so I've been buying a lot of stuff. And I just been keeping it downstairs in the room in like these big old bins. So maybe I'll sit down and do like a haul of everything I've been purchasing, and everything we've been getting. Excuse me. So y'all can see kind of, you know, what I've been getting or whatever. But I'm hungry, so we about to go downstairs and make this pho real quick, and then y'all can eat with me. So this is the type of pho rice noodles that I use. They're so good. You literally cook them in boiling hot water for about 20 seconds, and then they're done. Yeah. So this is the pho. So this is just the noodles and my chicken. I like onion. Normally I do red onion, but I didn't have any, so I did regular onion, cilantro, jalapeno, and then for my toppings I do sriracha, hoisin, and I use this chili crunch. I don't like bean sprouts in mine, so yeah, I don't like bean sprouts in mine, so I'm not gonna put that. But yeah, this is what I put in mine, and I like to put all my stuff in first and then pour the broth on top. Okay, I'm in the car. It's a little like wet outside. It was raining, I'm assuming. So I'm about to head to the store and see what we can find. Maybe, I don't know. I really want that Dave's Hot Chicken though. That's what I'm thinking about, honestly. So Y'all look at these drink dispenser organizers they have. They're only $17.99. But I'm annoyed because I can't even get one because I accidentally walked out the house without my card holder. No money on me. No cards, no ID, no nothing. And Ross does not take Apple Pay. So literally I'm just in here vibing because I can't even get anything. I'm so annoyed.
See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side.
I'm sitting outside. It's raining. Well, it's not raining, but it's sprinkling. About to go on Dave's hot chicken because I've been craving it. And so has my sister. The first time I ever had Dave's hot chicken was in Tampa. That was the closest location that they had to Atlanta. Oh no, that's all. Okay, y'all, so now I'm at QT. We got these new slushy machines in our QT, so I'm about to make a few slushies. Well, one for me and my brother. Makari making hers, so.
But they was in that category with me, man. They was in that Shake Shack category. They bustin'.
Yeah, and I'm gonna tone it too.
Hey y'all, so today is Sunday and I'm on my way to TJ Maxx because I just want to go be nosy. I've been at home all day chilling, so kind of wanted to get out the house, and I'm not too far from a TJ Maxx, so that's where we're gonna go. I really want to know why in the world we still don't have a feature on iPhone to listen to music and record videos at the same time. Like, that just doesn't make sense to me, like, at all. Because how you know I don't want to listen to music in my video? Like, you gotta have two phones, or you gotta film on your camera. But I don't always want to film on my camera. It's a lot easier for me to pull out my phone and record. But whatever.
Baby girl, you know I be home. Keep me on the ringtone.
I need some mixing bowls, but I don't know what kind I want to get. I don't know if I want to do like stainless steel or plastic. Like these are KitchenAid. And then they have like the stainless steel ones or glass. If y'all didn't know, I have a real obsession with glass cups. Like, it's bad. The amount of glasses I have slash own is ridiculous. Oh, these are kind of cute though. They're so different. That's cute. But yeah, I really need to stop because it's ridiculous.
What you want, I got what you want. Never what you need.